Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make elote from canned corn. First, gather your simple ingredients. You will need 2 cans of drained corn, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/2 cup of crumbled cottage cheese. Don't forget fresh lime juice, about 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and a handful of fresh cilantro. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you create a truly delicious and authentic elote experience right in your own kitchen. Now, let's get that corn perfectly roasted. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Add your well-drained canned corn directly to the dry pan. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until you see some lovely charring. This step is crucial because it brings out the corn's natural sweetness and adds a wonderful smoky depth, making your elote incredibly flavorful. Next, we'll craft the creamy, tangy sauce that defines elote. In a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Stir in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and a small pinch of salt to taste. Finally, add about 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh cilantro. Mix everything until it's smooth and well combined. This vibrant, zesty mixture is the heart of your elote, ready to embrace the roasted corn. Finally, it's time to bring all these delicious components together. Add your beautifully roasted corn to the bowl with the creamy sauce. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring every kernel is coated in that rich, flavorful dressing. Gently fold in 1/2 cup of crumbled cottage cheese. Serve your homemade elote warm in small bowls or cups. For an extra touch, garnish with more chili powder, fresh cilantro, and a lime wedge. Enjoy this incredible treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.